MetalPress machinery, we're not just about creating machines, we're about enabling success. As industry leaders in the world of hydraulic presses, die upenders and temperature control units, and other related equipment, we pride ourselves on delivering high-quality, innovative solutions. Our revolutionary design allows for simplified maintenance and longevity. Our modular presses can be easily handled, moved, and refurbished, ensuring that you get the most from your investment. Our products play pivotal roles across multiple sectors, including general manufacturing, die casting, plastic molding, food processing, and much more. Beyond equipment, we offer a full spectrum of services. From annual maintenance contracts to custom engineering solutions, we're your dedicated partner every step of the way. We handle logistics, offer comfortable financing options, and work with you to develop custom solutions tailored to your needs. MetalPress Machinery. We're not just a supplier, we're your partner in success. Connect with us today.